Hello everyone, welcome to Guarantee RV here in beautiful Junction City and our nice warm showroom. I'm here to show you the Winnebago Forza, and we've got this guy marked down incredibly. A diesel Forza 36-foot motorhome, 2018, selling for, as you can see, $189,997. Gorgeous unit, wonderful amenities. Let me show you the outside to start with. Full awning with the lighting, very beautiful when it's all lit up. Outside entertainment, amazingly large doors and storage areas. And you'll notice, looking at this, you really don't have to scrunch down very far to get where you need to be. Pass-through storage for long items, the ability to store on top of your chassis. Also, you've got great access to your water tanks here in this storage area. Notice the huge doors and easy to close. Another large bay here where you would turn on your chassis power. Lighted bays as well. This one is a 4-slide, 3 slides, with one huge wall slide on this end, 50 amp power. This is what they would call the working side of your motorhome. You're going to have access to your DEF, your electricity, and your outside shower and water hoses, drains, and of course the other side of your pass-through storage. Your propane tank and some nice pass-through storage above your propane tank. Great place to keep folding picnic tables and chairs and such. Okay. Another outside feature is your side cameras. For safety, that's a wonderful feature to have that also, of course, has your rear view camera. Come on inside and let's see some of the amenities. As you step in, you'll notice your lighting boards and your electricity to turn on is right there at your fingertips as you walk in. You don't have to trip over anything or wonder where to find light switches. Then first, second, and third, you'll notice this beautiful cockpit and the large display for the radio and all of your other information panel right there. Driving instructions. Just a well-equipped, very well laid out with your automatic jacks, and the information is right there at your fingertips. The chairs do swivel around to become part of your living room space, which includes another chair with the wow, does not look relaxing. And you've got your fireplace as well. I believe we can turn that on, show you how nice that looks. Oh wait, there you go, stay on. Adjustments for the heat level and or no heat at all. A very large TV for your guests and just relaxing after a hard day of playing. Your dinette turns into a bed. Beautiful corner kitchen and sink. Lots of storage. Large cabinet spaces. Deep drawers. And of course, your propane stove, 3 burners. You do have a convection Whirlpool microwave oven. And an ample refrigerator freezer by Whirlpool with an ice maker. This is the wall slide I mentioned earlier. From living room to bedroom end. Makes the hallway, everything expand so well. Gives you plenty of movement room. Company can go back and forth. Nice big closet space. And But wait, there's more. Also in here you've got a great bathroom, porcelain toilet, glass shower doors, plenty of elbow room. A fantastic fan that does help move air in your bathroom very quickly out. Get the steam out of here, and a washer dryer access if you decide to put one of those in. Another fantastic fan, keeps your air circling through, and a lot of times with those you rarely need to use your AC if your weather's not much more than 75 or 80 degrees. They move air very nicely. Notice all the giant window space in here. It makes it seem like part of the outdoors, huge picture windows. Come down and see this guy in person and maybe even take it for a test drive. You can reach me at the information below, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.